In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot to streamline your workflow and make your daily tasks more efficient. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to open Microsoft Copilot in your app, pinpoint repetitive tasks, design automation commands, and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Let's start by opening Microsoft Copilot in your application of choice. First, make sure your app is compatible with Microsoft Copilot, as it's essential to have everything set up correctly from the outset. Once your app is up and running, look for the Copilot icon. It's usually located in the toolbar or menu, but feel free to explore if it's not immediately visible. Clicking on the icon should instantly launch the Copilot interface, making it ready for input and command. Now that we have Microsoft Copilot open, we need to identify those repetitive tasks we want to automate. Common examples include composing email replies, generating reports, or even updating spreadsheets. Think about tasks you find yourself doing over and over, especially those that consume significant time or are prone to human error. Take a moment to jot down these tasks because recognizing them is the first step towards automation. With a list of tasks to automate, the next step is to create automation commands or workflows. Within Microsoft Copilot, navigate to the Automation Setup or Commands panel. Here, you can begin designing commands tailored to your identified tasks. It's important to keep each command detailed yet straightforward, ensuring that the Copilot understands exactly what needs to be done. For example, for email replies, you might specify a template response that can vary slightly depending on certain keywords. Use conditional logic or sections to customize outputs and add a personal touch to each automated interaction. With commands set up, it's time to activate and monitor your task automation. Turn the automation feature on by selecting Activate Automation, or a similarly labeled button within the Copilot interface. Once it's live, your tasks should start running automatically according to the specified commands. However, implementing automation isn't just about activating it and walking away. You'll want to keep a close eye on the process initially to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Microsoft Copilot provides monitors and log views to help you track activities and catch potential hiccups early on. By following these steps, you'll harness Microsoft Copilot's capabilities to save precious time and effort in your everyday work, allowing you to focus on tasks that truly require your unique skills and attention. If you encounter any issues along the way, remember, there's a wealth of resources available online, from troubleshooting guides to community forums ready to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more productive workspace.